Hello everyone, welcome to VMware Arena YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what is virtual machine clone and how to create or how to clone a virtual machine. Okay, so when you clone a virtual machine, it is nothing but it will create a new copy of the source virtual machine. So there are some scenarios like you have, like installed a software or you developed some code in your development environment. You want exact similar copy to be duplicated in your production. So you can clone a virtual machine, or in the previous video we have talked about deploying a virtual machine from the template. So template also serves the same purpose, but there will be a slight difference in the use cases when you use VM templates and when to use virtual machine clone. So basically in the next video I'll put what is difference between VM clone and VM template, and when to use VM clone and when to use VM templates with real-time scenarios. Okay, so convert the virtual machine to the template only when it is powered on, but we can clone the virtual machine when it is powered on or power off. So basically when we clone a virtual machine, it creates an exact same copy of virtual machine, but a few things like so when whatever the cloned virtual machine will be issued with an new UID, and also the new clone virtual machine will have on new MAC address which is generated when we clone. Okay, so other thing is if the guest operating system is assigned with an IP address and host name, so the cloned VM will have an exact similar copy. Okay. So before that, let's understand how to clone it. To clone the virtual machine, you can right click, go to clone, then you can say select the option clone to a virtual machine. So specify the name for it. Let me specify something like win-vm03-clone because I'm cloning it from win-03. Select the host or cluster where you want the clone virtual machine to be hosted. Select the data store where you want to store the cloned virtual machine. Now, as similar to the templates, right, we have an option to customize the cloned VM as well. So we can use guest customization. In the previous video, I have explained in detail about guest customization. So we created one guest customization for Windows operating system. It will appear when you click on next, because if you want to customize the virtual machine operating system when you clone a VM, we can use this. So we can click on next. So the customization which we have created in the previous video is showing up here. We can select this to customize the operating systems. Okay, click on next. So as I selected customize hardware option, so it will gives me the option to like customize my operating system as using the customization, and also customize the hardware virtual machine hardware here. So I can edit the virtual machine configuration. For example, if you want to increase the CPU, if you want to increase the memory size or reduce the hard disk size, you can specify. So this IP I specified in the customization to prompt for the user whenever I deploy a virtual machine, whenever I use that customization specification. Click next. So I can modify my hardware parameters like configuration of virtual machine. Click on finish. So it will start cloning the virtual machine. It takes few time. Yes, the clone virtual machine operation has been completed. I just move forward to reduce the like a cloning video duration. So the virtual machine is created win-03. The virtual machine, so it is an exact copy of virtual machine which got created here. So this will have a different MAC address and different UID will get generated, but from the operating system perspective, everything will be an exact similar virtual machine. So we can use a customization to customize the operating system parameters, because another thing is before if you have your source virtual machine which is powered on, so please do not power on the cloned virtual machine, because it may have a same IP address and host name, so it can create a conflict, and it may bring the application down in the source VM, right? So for that you can disconnect the virtual machine from the network, then you can power on the virtual machine, open up the console, then you can reconfigure the IP address, IP settings and the host name, everything before you put the cloned one into the production network. Okay, so I hope this video helps you to understand what is clone and how to clone a virtual machine. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to our channel, and you can also click on bell icon to get the notification. Thank you so much. Stay safe.